What floor are we going to?
Empty.
What floor are we going to?
Floor 0.
Floor 0.
What do we do when I'm in the elevator? Dance. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Watch me.
There should be toilets just there, shouldn't there, when we get out? Breakfast.
Yeah, I don't care.
Breakfast. Cool. Can we just sit anywhere, is it?
Yes, it's all free to
Alright, lovely, thank you.
Good morning.
Yes. View from breakfast.
Sasha and Delilah can sit. Or do you want to like?
I got cornflakes, whatever these are,
Cocoa Pops.
Cookie Pops, and the white Cookie Pops.
Rice Krispies, cornflakes and Cocoa Pops.
Two types of Cookie Pops.
Is that good?
Yeah. Try vlog. It's actually really
Still
cool.
getting
I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to hold this.
That's good.
I just
Loaded up on the beans. They have like mini potatoes.
Ah,
Like mini bread.
breads and toasts. Croissants. Syrup. Yogurts. Hot breakfast. We'll join you with a waffle, I think. My breakfast.
No, you're not cutting like actually.
Done. Let's go.
So,
Orange. We got grains. Dried fruit. That's a bin.
look for the mouth. Ow!
Got jam.
Jam.
Bread.
Mummy, could we have coffee?
Oh, can you get me a glass? I'll have a juice.
That's enough. I'll do it. You put it here.
Yeah. Mama bread. Yeah, I don't want to.
Don't need to.
Do you want any of this? Or do you want pops? Toast, waffles, yogurt?
Banana. Should I tell you the story now?
Yeah. Lacey wants to tell us a story.
Which one?
What's your story then, Lace?
So, I was done with my cereal and I was eating my waffle. A French guy comes over and said, "Oh, bonjour, are you finished?
C'est bonjour.
Are you finished?" But, and then I said yeah and I didn't understand, so I just said yes. You could have seen yourself with it.
No, you can't.
I said, can I just take one of my old videos and share, which is on YouTube?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I do subscribe our channel, turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.